What is Bitcoin and how does it work? Today we're going to dive into the world of cryptocurrencies and talk about the most famous and well-known of them all, Bitcoin. You've probably heard of Bitcoin before, but what exactly is it and how does it work? In this video, we'll go over the basics of what Bitcoin is and how it works so that you can understand this revolutionary technology. So if you're ready to learn more about Bitcoin, keep watching. Introduction to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is referred to as a cryptocurrency, which simply means a digital currency that uses cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Unlike traditional fiat currencies like the US dollar or the euro, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network, meaning that it is not controlled by any central authority. The blockchain. So how does Bitcoin actually work? The backbone of the Bitcoin network is something called the blockchain. The blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records every transaction that has ever taken place on the network. It's called the blockchain because the ledger is composed of blocks or transactions that are linked together in a chain. Each block contains a unique code called a hash that is generated using complex mathematical algorithms. This hash links each block to the one before it, making it almost impossible to change or manipulate the information stored on the blockchain. Mining and transactions. In order for a transaction to be recorded on the blockchain, it must be verified by something called miners. Miners are people or organizations that use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems in order to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. In return for their work, miners are rewarded with newly created bitcoins. This process of solving mathematical problems and validating transactions is called mining. The benefits of Bitcoin. So why is Bitcoin important? There are several benefits to using Bitcoin over traditional fiat currencies. First and foremost, Bitcoin is decentralized, which means that it is not controlled by any central authority. This makes it a more secure and transparent currency, as there's no central point of failure or control. Additionally, Bitcoin transactions are fast and cheap, as they are processed on the blockchain without the need for intermediaries like banks. And finally, Bitcoin is a global currency, meaning that it can be used anywhere in the world without being subject to the exchange rates and fees associated with traditional fiat currencies. The risks of Bitcoin. Of course, there are also some risks associated with using Bitcoin. The first and most obvious risk is the volatility of the price of Bitcoin. Because it is not backed by any government or central authority, the value of Bitcoin is highly susceptible to market forces and can fluctuate rapidly. Additionally, the fact that Bitcoin is decentralized also means that there is no protection for consumers in the event of fraud or theft. Finally, there is still a lot of uncertainty surrounding the regulatory future of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, which could have a significant impact on their value and adoption. I hope that this video has helped to give you a better understanding of this exciting and revolutionary technology. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon to be updated. Have a nice day.